I think we are kind of just holding hands in all of this and just trying to get along and get through it. It's a tough thing to have happen in your town, and you don't want the town to have any sort of reputation of something like this because it's so not like Cohasset.
It's very disturbing, very heart-wrenching that this happened to this family and these poor children, and I think the community's coming together and trying to do something to support them, and that's the best they can do. It's really a tragedy.
The folks at Cohasset up in Massachusetts talking about a man named Brian Walshe. Take a look at Brian Walshe. 47 years old, father of 3, but is accused of murdering his wife January 1st, 2023. By the way, he was already on house arrest at the time for selling some fake Warhols. Paintings. Yeah, this guy's a character and a half. Matt Johnson has more tonight.
No comment from Brian Walshe after he was charged with the murder of his wife, Anna Walshe, the missing Massachusetts mother of 3 young boys. And while he's not talking, prosecutors are piecing together a timeline of what they say he was doing in the days after her disappearance. Prosecutors say that Anna Walshe was last seen here at her Cohasset home on New Year's Day. Anna was last seen at home between 4 and 5 a.m. by a family member. Walshe told police that he had slept in that morning, but prosecutors say that he was actually awake and searching disturbing topics on his son's iPad.
At 4:55 a.m. on January 1st, he searched how long before a body starts to smell.
The very next day, more Google searches.
There were also more Google searches on January 2nd. At 12:45 p.m., Pat saw best tool to dismember. At 1:10 p.m., can you be charged with murder without a body? At 1:14 p.m., can you identify a body with broken teeth?
Prosecutors say that on January 2nd, Walshe came here to this Home Depot store, located in Rockland, Massachusetts, 9 miles from his house. He spent $450 on cleaning supplies.
Items included cleaning products, mops, brushes.
On January 3rd, prosecutors say Walshe drove to an apartment complex in Abington, 16 miles from his home, where they say surveillance video shows him hoisting a heavy garbage bag into a dumpster. At 4:48 p.m., prosecutors say Walshe drove to a second apartment complex in Abington. And at 5:10 p.m., investigators say he threw items away into a dumpster in Brockton. Then on January 6th and 7th, police searched the Walshe property in Cohasset. Prosecutors collected a lot of evidence in the basement of this home, including DNA blood evidence and 2 knives. On January 8th, Walshe was arrested for misleading police in his wife's missing person investigation. The next day, he was arraigned and pled not guilty. Then on January 17th, prosecutors announced that he would be charged with her murder. The next day, he was back in court.
The defendant is now before the court charged with murder of his wife, Anna Walshe, as well as disinterring of a body.
All right, folks, the next hearing is March 4th, but a big development in court today. Lawyer announcing that he's run out of money and he's indigent, so now he needs a new attorney. Let's bring back in our think tank, Darnell Crosland. You're going to be back in the mainland anytime soon?
Well, not for pro bono, Vinny.
Well, I mean, you might be able to squeeze a few fake Warhols out of him. So does he have any defense, Darnell? I mean, I'm looking at this case. You've got blood evidence in the basement. You've got him running around throwing garbage out all over Massachusetts. Looks a little problematic.
Well, I'm from Connecticut, and we got something going on called the Doulos case, sort of, and it's just shockingly reminiscent. So, you know, they're going to have to, you know, find out what he was discarding and what connections the stuff that he discarded has to his wife or to his wife's murder and to him. So far, it looks bad, but I haven't seen the so-called smoking gun yet, so we have to wait and see.
Al, you ran out of money. You surprised?
No, not surprised at all. And, you know, I mean, this is a lesson to everyone. Don't look up stupid things on the internet. I mean, this is just unbelievable. With the question,
Well, he
how
used
long
his
before the
son's
body starts to
iPad. No one's
smell?
going to look there.
Yeah, no one looks there. That would be the last place I'd look if it's the Keystone cops that are investigating this. But I mean, you know, to do that, and also to put that evidence on his kid's iPad is even more of a horrendous action on his part.
Jennifer
So what's he going to do?
Brandt?
Blame the kid?
Yeah, Jennifer Brandt, what happens to the children now? Mom is missing, and dad's facing murder here. Do they have a chance?
Yeah, it's tragic. No, they really don't have a chance. Hopefully there is some family member, maybe a member of mom's family, who will take them in and will raise them, because it looks like he will probably not get out of jail. If things go as it seems that they will go. You never know, but to the extent that he's in prison, they will be living with some other family member or somebody who is willing to take them in. And it's so sad, because now, you know, both parents, they don't have either parent. Their mom is gone and their father is in a lot of trouble. So.
Yep. Kids always stuck in the middle of these things. All right.